I promised a follow-up on the PLA carbon fiber 3D printed guitar nut. That is the black part that goes across here that holds the strings at a specific height over the fretboard and at a specific separation between each string. So here it is installed and it plays and sounds fine, worked pretty well. I did need to clean up this nut slot and that one a little bit for some 3D printing, kind of little overhang artifacts. So I used my nut slot files and just took a tiny little bit of material out of there on the edges so it would slide down in nice. And it's really doing well. I enjoy it. Here's what it replaced. All right, that's a titanium nut with little screws for adjusting the height and the angle of the string coming out. Some other things you can 3D print. See, I 3D printed this and then realized, I 3D printed this one today and then realized I'd already made one in the PLA carbon fiber. I found it in my spare 3D printed parts bin. Some guitar picks. This is the one I'm using the most right here. We have the little nut driver tighteners in different sizes, the little wing nut type. This is also a guitar knob in the PLA CF, the carbon fiber. Unfortunately, it only goes to 10, or does it? No, look at that. It goes to 11, you know, because it's one louder, right? So anyhow, those are some things. Oh, here's another guitar knob showing you how you use this guitar knob puller to safely remove a guitar knob from a guitar. Just some of the things you can do with 3D printed stuff in making parts for guitars. Let's see. Oh, and we got another one. Here is a cover for the cavity on the back of a guitar right there. There's another thing you can 3D print. Or a guitar capo. Yeah, we got all sorts of things we can 3D print here. But this carbon fiber PLA nut in the Les Paul is really doing well. I'm enjoying it.